The verb avere is one of the most common verbs in Italian, and it's used in so many idiomatic expressions. So in today's video we're going to look at some expressions with the verb avere. Ciao a tutti, io mi chiamo Stefano and I am an Italian teacher. If you're new to the channel, don't forget to hit the subscribe button if you don't want to miss any future lessons. In today's video, we're going to take a look at expressions with the verb avere. Now, you probably know that the verb avere means to have. For example, I could say something like ho una macchina nuova. Ho una macchina nuova. I have a new car. Hai una penna? Hai una penna? Do you have a pen? But if we combine the verb avere with some nouns, we can make new expressions that we actually use all the time in Italian. Before we take a look at the expressions with avere, let's revise very quickly the conjugation of avere. If you know it already, just skip to this part of the video. Okay, so we have io ho, tu hai, lui, lei ha, noi abbiamo, voi avete, loro hanno. Alright, now that we have revised the conjugation of the verb avere, let's start with the expressions. The first expression of today is avere fame. Avere fame. Now, I use this expression like 345 volte al giorno because I'm always hungry. So I would say something like ho fame, ho fame, or ho molta fame, ho molta fame. So as you can see in English, we use the verb essere, to be hungry. In Italian, we say avere fame, like to have hunger. The second expression of today is very similar to the first one, but instead of saying to be hungry, we're going to say to be thirsty. Avere sete. Avere sete. For example, ho sete. Ho sete. Dov'è il mio bicchiere di vino? Dov'è il mio bicchiere di vino? Or acqua, eventually. The next expression is avere fretta. Avere fretta. A very useful sentence you might learn is scusami, ho fretta adesso. Possiamo parlare dopo? I'm sorry, I'm in a hurry right now. Can we talk later? Then we have avere sonno. Avere sonno. Now, I don't know if you've watched my vlogs. They are completely in Italian. So let's take a look at one clip from my vlogs where I use this expression. Scusate, ho ancora un po' sonno perché è presto stamattina. Scusate, ho ancora un po' sonno. Scusate, ho ancora un po' sonno. Right, so I said, ho ancora un po' sonno perché è presto stamattina. Ho ancora un po' sonno perché è presto stamattina. I'm still a little bit sleepy because it's early this morning. So avere sonno means that you're tired, you're sleepy because you had just woken up. Or because you're about to go to bed because it's late at night. If you want to practice your listening and understanding skills, I strongly encourage you to watch my vlogs. You can also turn on subtitles both in Italian and English so that you can make sure that you understand every single bit of it. Now, let's move on to the next expression. Avere paura di. Avere paura di. To be scared of. For example, I could say, ho paura del buio e della pasta scotta. Ho paura del buio e della pasta scotta. I'm scared of dark and overcooked pasta. Please don't overcook your pasta. Pasta is good when it's al dente, right? Now let's move on to the next expression of today. Avere caldo. Avere caldo. To be hot. So for example, I could say, ho molto caldo oggi. I'm very hot today. Or the opposite would be avere freddo. Avere freddo. To be cold. Ho freddo oggi. Ho freddo oggi. I'm cold today. Now remember that these two expressions apply to yourself, so if you're hot or cold, but if you want to say that it's hot or cold outside, you're going to use the verb fare and say fa caldo oggi it's hot today, or fa caldo fuori, it's hot outside. And same thing for freddo, fa freddo oggi. Fa freddo oggi. It's cold today. Alright, we're done for today's lesson. If you like this video, don't forget to give it a like. And also, if you don't want to miss any future lessons, don't forget to subscribe to the channel. I also have an Instagram page where I upload stories daily and I speak 100% in Italian. So if you would like to improve your listening skills, you can go check out my Instagram page at Teacher Stefano. I'm going to see you in the next video. Ci vediamo nel prossimo video. Ciao ciao!